What if you're given a function like this, f of x equals square root of x plus 10. I asked to find the inverse of this function. How do we do it? It's very, very simple. Replace f of x with y. So we're going to have y equals square root of x plus 10. So once you have done this, you interchange x with y here. So if you do, then have x equals square root of y plus 10. Okay, so remember we are going to make y the subject formula. So before we do that, you need to square both sides. Move this square root at the right hand side to square both sides. So this is what we're going to have. This square will carry the square. So we're going to left with x square equals y plus 10. Then to make y the subject formula, this 10 will cross over the equality sign. Therefore, our inverse function y will be x square minus 10. So that will be our final answer. Okay.